Did you start it? Hey, what's up, man? We're gonna start moving some dirt, man. Let's get started. My friend in the cameras, that name is Manuel, man. We're Mexican buddies. We're working today with my net company, and we're just moving.
Corona plumbing.
And we're moving a bunch of dirt. Watch that power right there. Coming towards me. Now it's going out. Woo! That's the and yeah, I haven't put videos up in a long time just because I don't have time to work. And I'm just pushing dirt today, so we're having some fun out here. And well, we're gonna keep pushing dirt today. Oh my God, we hit a pipe behind us. We hit a dang on pipe, man. Let's get violent. So yeah, this dirt is kind of hard because it's never nice in. And this one,
That's all we got today.
yeah, I'm sorry. There's some guy behind us. We don't know him. Put the camera to the guy. We don't know that guy who the guy is. So we're gonna stop for now.
¿Se puede acercar?
Wait, let me see. It's probably dig test. No, it's probably dig test. I don't know. Well, let's continue. Okay.
Oh my God!
Oh yeah.
Damn!
So
Let's go!
Alaskan Pinelands, bro. Alaskan Pinelands. Where our job never gets hard. And we're gonna later. I'm gonna have a video.
There's some worker right there. Hilario del Ángel. There's another worker over there.
Another guy, man. He's an awesome bro. He's a bro, okay? So later we're gonna
Here's this guy Franklin over here.
I'm not Franklin, I'm Frankie. Alright guys, listen, alright? We're gonna be moving some dirt today, so later I'm gonna have another video of us moving dirt with a 350 Caterpillar, alright?
Oh yes. And I'm gonna be moving that tractor right there.
Whatever, he's not gonna be moving it, I'm gonna move it.
Nah, cause you're moving this one.
No, we're trade spots, alright? We're trade spots.
Okay, we share. We always share.
Yeah, we're best buddies.
Yeah.
You see, Hilario del Ángel is his dad, and his dad works with my dad, and we have fun together.
Yeah, look at Hilario del Ángel from Gray over there.
That works for Genevieve Plumbing.
Hilario!
Hilario, say hi to
Say hi!
Don't worry, he's a little bit mad today just because we're taking videos of him. You know how people are when you take
Nah, he's not mad. He's serious. He's not show off.
showing off of his awesome
Okay, people, that's all we got today.
Yeah, we'll see you later.
Okay.
You guys, peace out, man.
Say bye.
Bye, say bye.
Peace out.
Peace out, bye. We'll have another video up soon, alright?
Alright, bye.
Bye.